Okay, so I'm gonna explain to you a little bit of what I got going on this face. Because I originally had planned to film a video of a Halloween tutorial, something quick and easy, and some inspiration that I found on Pinterest and through my cousins, and made like a dumb head. I wasn't preparing to like create this. I just wanted to do like a neutral eye, and this came out for like the look that I was gonna film for you guys. And I was doing it off camera, and I'm like, I'm such a dummy, I should be doing this on camera. So this I did not film, but what I am gonna film is the lip version. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to film how I created this look. I don't even know what to call it, honestly. It's just a Halloween inspired like glam glittery look, but yeah, just a little FYI. I know I look crazy, and yeah, I'm a little all over the place today, but I wanted to get something out for you guys, being that I have not created can't even speak, being that I have not created a Halloween look. So no further ado, let's get right into this because I'm just rambling. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the Galaxy lip, which I got inspired by on Pinterest. Well, originally through my cousin, because she was sending me ideas, and I really like the Galaxy version and it was super cool. The lip that I'm going to recreate. With that being said, I'm gonna start off with, so I'm going to recreate this lippy. I'm not a professional when it comes to like recreating stuff. Like, it's not gonna come out exactly like this, but I want to get, you know, close to it at least. So eyeshadow, just layering. So I know like the Galaxy colors, they're more like deep purples, pinks and blues and white, all those beautiful colors. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with eyeshadows, or just use eyeshadows in general, because I want this to be quick and easy, like stuff that people have at home that they don't have to go out and get. Like, I'm gonna use the Sephora Pro colorful palette. Like, this is like my go-to when it comes to creating like bright, vibrant looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a fluffy brush, and this by all means does not have to be neat. This is, remember, it's Halloween, so it doesn't have to be very like precise, very you know, neat. Like, it's Halloween, girl. Have fun, express yourself, become a kid that doesn't know how to color in the lines, color outside the lines. Okay, I don't know if I should zoom you guys in a little bit. Let me see. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna zoom you guys this close, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with a light purple. I'm gonna start off with this one right over here. That's not even purple. I'm gonna start off with this color right here, and then I'm gonna go off to this color. So whatever light purples or pinks that you have, I wanna go ahead and start using those. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a fluffy brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and just start at my Cupid's bow. And I want it to be very, you know, messy-esque. It looks like you just got juice all over your lip line. So I'm gonna start on my Cupid's bow and my bottom lip. Just like this. And then whatever I have left, I go ahead and just blend it with the brush. And I'm holding the brush very far, so I have the most control. And as you can see, the blend is becoming really, really nice. You see, it's not too perfect, but it's getting in all the areas that I need it in. I'm taking the light purple. I'm taking it on the same places, but I'm just dragging it a little lower now. And then I'm taking this one a little higher on the top lip, like that. Honestly, guys, I did not practice or do this off camera. The way it's coming out now is the way it's gonna come out. Cause I don't know how this is gonna come out. It may come out good, it may come out bad, but you know what? It is what it is. YOLO. And everything that I'm using and I have on my face, I'll definitely leave that in the description box down below. Okay, so go ahead and check that out. So I'm gonna grab a clean brush. I'm gonna grab purples from here. And I'm gonna kind of focus that towards the outer corners now. Like if we're doing a nice little ombre lippy. This is looking crazy at first, I promise. The outcome will probably be so much better. I'm gonna go ahead and take another clean brush with nothing on it, and I'm gonna go ahead and start blending around just so it's a little bit more softer, so there's no harsh edges. Now I'm gonna take a detailed brush. I'm gonna go ahead and take a blue now. I'm gonna take this blue right here, that one right here. Start blending that on my lips right here. Just like that. Not too crazy. Because you want to blend right through. And then I'm gonna take a blending brush, the pink one that we used the first time, right? And we're gonna go ahead with not adding any more product and just go ahead and blend. It's the same purple brush that we were using earlier. I'm gonna go ahead and take another eyeshadow that's purple. I'm gonna take this one right over here from MAC and Patrickstarrr's collection. And being that it has some shimmer, it's gonna add some highlight. Just like that. And I'm keeping that focus a little bit more towards into my lip. Take this one right over here from MAC and Patrickstarrr's collection, the blue. Splotch it around, not focus it anywhere. I'm just gonna, some there, some here. Just like this. And now I'm taking the same pinks, right, that I started off with earlier, and I'm gonna just go ahead and retouch around the lips.
Oh my god, I think one of my dogs are farting. I'm so sorry. It just smells so bad.
I'm gonna take the highlighter from Artist Couture in Supernova. Pick it on a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it, dust it over my lip just like this. I'm gonna leave it just like this, right? Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab a glitter, because she has glitter in the center of her lip, like ombre, like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the Sephora collection glitter adhesive on a synthetic brush, because you don't want to mess up any of your natural hair brushes. And I'm taking one of Sephora's glitters. I don't know the name of it, but when I do find out, I'll leave it in the description box down below. It looks is very pretty and glittery. It has purple, pinks, and blues. So I think it fits perfect. So I'm just gonna put some right the center of my lips, a little more in the inner part, just like that. and you'll make sure you press it in. Guys, comment down below what should I call this type of look. Then I'm gonna go in with a white liner. I'm using the NYX NYX white liquid liner. Create a line like that, something like that, and just, you can create stars if you like. Just like this, right? And then you can do it a little like that. Just like that. And then you have a galaxy mouth. See, something quick and easy. It gives you an excuse to throw glitter and be messy and beautiful at the same time. I'm gonna zoom you guys a little bit in.